Question: the commonly used materials for shielding or screening magnetism is answer soft iron. Next question: a 300 turn coil carrying 3 ampere produced an mmf of ampere turns. Answer 900. Next question: the expression for energy stored in the magnetic field when the current is increased from 0 is given as W is equal to 1 upon 2 L2 I joules. Yes or no? Answer: it is false statement. Next question: the most effective and quickest may be making a magnet from soft iron is by. Answer: placing it inside a coil carrying current. Next question: the space between the poles of a magnet is called an. Answer: air gap. Next question: the dash curve related the flux density to the magnetizing force. Answer: pH curve. Next question: coefficient of mutual induction may be defined as the flux linkage Weber turns linking with one coil caused by 1 ampere current in the other coil. True or false? Answer: it is true. Question: the Biot-Savart's law is a generally modification of. Answer: Ampere's law. Next question: a coil induced 350 millivolt when the current changes at the rate of 1 ampere per second. The value of inductance is. Answer: 350 microhenry. Next question: the ability of a material to conserve magnetic field and after tidal opposition to the flux lines is called. Answer: permeability. Next question: a dash is a magnet produced from a coil carrying a current. Answer: solenoid. Next question: the self-induced of the coil may be defined as equal to the EMF induced in volts when the current in the circuit changes at the rate of unit Weber turns. Answer: it is true statement. Next question: field strength at the center of a circular coil of radius r is. Answer: Ni upon 2r A upon m. Next question: the permeability of a magnetic material is comparable to the dash of an electrical conductor. Answer: conductance. Question: the unit of flux is the same as that of. Answer: pole strength. Next question: which inductor will have the least eddy current losses? Answer: air core. Next question: unit of quantity of electricity is. Answer: coulomb. Next question: the lines of force tend to spread away from each other because of the mutual dash between lines. Answer: repulsion. Next question: resistance, electromotive force and current can be compared with dash and dash respectively. Answer: reluctance, MMF and flux. Next question: dash refers to the concentration of the magnetic field or the number of magnetic field lines in a given area. Answer: flux density. Next question: ampere turns is the product of current in amperes and the turns in the coil. Answer: yes. Question: the flux lines are more dense at the dash of the magnet than they are at points further from the magnet. Answer: ends. Next question: dash is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to core area and permeability. Answer: reluctance. Next question: dash flux is directly proportional to the current I and the turns n in a coil. Next question: answer: magnetic. Next question: an average voltage of 10 volt is induced in a 250 turn solenoid as a result of change in flux which occur in 0.5 second. The total flux change in. Answer: 0.02 Weber. Next question: the tube of force within the magnetic material are known as. Answer: line of force. Next question: a 500 turn solenoid develops an average induced voltage of 60 volt. Over what time interval must a flux change of 0.06 Weber occur to produce such a voltage? Answer: 0.5 second.